Devin. This is looking good. I just noticed that with your rope, there's just some rough spots, which are easily fixable. You just go into the stroke area and the properties, open that up, and then just go to the corner options, and let's just do a round join, and that will fix that for you. What's the stroke on this? This one's 3. Looks a little thicker than this one. I wonder if we could do 4 on that, just so that the stroke weight matches the stroke weight a little bit more on this. This might need to be smoothed out a little bit. I wonder if we can also... No, that doesn't do it. Okay. Sometimes changing these can help with the issues on some of these. I think maybe just using the smooth tool on that would be a good idea. Get back on there. Oh, so you outline the stroke, so this is more of a shape. Okay. We still might be able to just kind of quickly... Oh. Interesting. Okay. It's a little bit different of a shape here. It's not just a solid stroke. It's looking like it's something a little different, but we can always just grab these things and kind of... I don't know. There's a way to fix this, probably, that we could do. But I would smooth that out. You might have to just redraw that part, honestly, with a pen tool. And maybe even this part here, too. Just small details. And then right here, too, I noticed you might need to use the delete anchor point on this one. And just delete those 2 anchor points. Possibly even these 2 and these 2. Let's see. Maybe these 2 as well. Just to get that cleaned up a little bit right there, so you're not having like a little... Let's bring that in. A little bump there, so that that looks a little bit cleaner. But other than that, these are outlined. Okay. And you did put a little bit of a stroke on there of 1 point, which is good because that makes the thins a little thicker. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Talk to you later.